Here another NSU, but this is not a TT, this is the 1000, that's the Prince. And very cool, we have here British wheels, maxi lights.
Oh nee, Entschuldigung. Den haben wir jetzt.
Can you see something? No. Fantastic green metallic Mercedes-Benz W116. $280 SE. Nice Beetle. Volkswagen Golf Mark I Cabriolet. So W123. Just to show you, I was coming from there. There's a big parking, number 1, P1. Just walking up there, so here's also some stuff. And here, fire department. But over there, there are also still some cars parking. And at the tower, which is, well, not inside over here. So what's this? Seeming like it's Porsche tractor. Yeah, Porsche diesel. Here another Mercedes-Benz SL Roadster. And here a Coasset. Citra CX. Coasset. I'm always thinking about croissant because I'm loving to eat a croissant. Because I'm hungry now. Very futuristic interior. French car. Amazing. So now I just walked down, and I want to say that over there at the roads there's also another spot with classic cars, but now I'm here at the Feuerwehr, which means fire department, and I'm just going to film cars from here. So let's start with the W123. This is the most popular classic car right now in Germany. It overtook the Beetle. Maybe some Beetles did die, I have no idea. But also this always has been a popular car from Mercedes-Benz. And here Volkswagen Golf Mark I Cabriolet. A very cool car. And here, this classic design. I mean, it's also really a beautiful car, the W123. Some people don't like these Baroque wheels, but I find them cool. Interesting color on this Beetle Cabriolet. It's a pearl effect in white. Amazing. And here also very interesting. I bet this is an Unimog, and this one is coming from Switzerland. I wasn't wrong. Minimal.
Liegen lassen, habe ich gesagt, sonst kann ich steuern.
Ja, ist das super. Wenn man da Lust drauf hat, ist es genau.
Nein, ich will schon zwei Stück.
Ja, das macht man doch nicht.
Das war ein moderner, es war so nur moderner wie der war aber auch Seilwinde, da war alles möglich. Der Waldarbeit, der Wald macht alles nicht mehr alles.
Und hier die Biele. So, hier Renault Alpine.
Ja, schade, wir hätten nicht drin an der Bahn, wir hätten eine gute Gruppe verloren. Ja, ich weiß, aber das war jetzt halt ein bisschen.
Stunning livery. On top, the rhombus of Renault. Calibers on. So stunning. The engine is, by the way, in the rear end. It's something that I didn't know about this car for a very long time. Interestingly, here's a Ford Capri Mark III coming from France. Actually, I believe it's a license plate from France. Maybe it's from the Netherlands. I believe they also once had these black ones. I'm not 100% certain about that, but anyway. But here's the D. That's odd. Well, maybe someone is living in France now and put the car with him over there. Here, a Trabant 601S. Stroke 8, 280 CE coupe. And here we have the small pontoon 180. I'm thinking this is a W120. So now back to the 280 CE. This is already the Series 2, by the way. Also the taillights are from the Series 1. But you can see again this. But the coupe was the only one that still kept the triangle window. But you cannot open it because we have this modern mirror. It's the old Series 1 steering wheel. And here you can see this is actually where the automatic is, the gearing stick. Unlike of the one that we have seen before. But I mean, I like this old steering wheel. I also would have changed it to this, so it's not meaning like I only want to see it in original. So and here the pontoon, the small pontoon, 180. Cool with a rooftop. That's also something where I want to go. My boss is also there because he is a member of the club. Other Beetle Cabriolet. And this here is an Opel Capitaine, so a captain. So a big Opel. Wow, what a nice car. So there's also some information from 1961. 6-cylinder, 90 horsepower. Top speed was 150 kilometers per hour. 6 volt.
Das ist nichts zum Fahren, das ist wie ein Picasso oder muss ich am Röntgen, verstehst du? Ja, da stehen ja schon gut. Die würde ein paar her.
Oh, loving these wheel caps. Opel has been a part of General Motors, so the design wasn't very European, it was more American. Also, you didn't know this car from another brand, but so design-wise you can see that the mother from Opel was leading to this design.